A cantilevered retaining wall is something it's a reference to a board retaining wall, a concrete retaining wall, and that's where you have a footing that actually goes either forward or backward into the hill, so that as you're backfilling, it creates a type of like a foot that doesn't allow the wall to go forward. And this is going to be an engineered thing. When the engineers and the geotechs come in, they'll try to understand what the size of that footing needs to be, how far forward or backward it needs to be, given the amount of surcharge placed on that wall. There are some types of blocks that will use a longer block. I know Cornerstone makes one that's called an F200, and it's twice as deep as the blocks that go on top of it, and so that gives it some of that cantilevered advantage. All the weight of the backfill is pressing down on that bottom block, and so it helps stabilize all the ones above it to keep it from tilting out.